Oh yeah, man, this food good, man. Oh man, this is good. Oh, I can't stop eating it. Sugary, sweet taste.
Bro, you're eating again? All you do is eat, and do you ever get off that computer, bro? Every time I come here, you eat on that computer.
And no point in me moving. Everything I got is right here.
You ever thought of maybe, getting a job? Maybe?
Why would I get a job? I got everything I need. Got a phone, I got my computer, got my food. Our parents have provided us everything. I don't need anything else. I'm straight.
You can't be serious, bro. All right then, bro. Have fun.